exquisite venue of Kempinski Seychelles Resort, Bay Lazar for the Regional ISUZU Conference 2024.
Emphasizing our commitment to innovation, excellence and sustainability.
We have always had. We kindly request your continued support and cooperation as we move forward.
And most importantly, your continued efforts at each pillar.
We take great pride with the ISUZU brand and we take lots of learning and sharing together with you.
Very proud to be part of the ISUZU family.
Let's keep moving forward together. Thank you.